So first thing you should do, these things get full of dirt. Take a wipe, you see the black that gets in there, and just give it a clean and out. So down here is your dump tray. When it shuts off, when it's full, you just pop it out. You can see the handles down, and if you can see inside of there, look how moldy and gross that looks. All you're going to need to do is take some bleach and rinse it around for a little bit in some water and spray it out, and just make sure that's clean. As you can see, all I did was take some bleach, swish it around in there, and then if you have a spray jet or something like that, a power washer, it's easier to get the mold out, because when you're not using it sometimes during the year, it will gather mold if there's a little bit of water left in it. Or clean it before you shut it down for the year. So now all we do, put it back in place. This one is stubborn. They're not all this stubborn, but there we go. It's back in place. Now it's about cleaning the filter. And this is important because it allows air through, and if not, you won't burn it out. As you can see, that is awfully dirty. So all I'm going to do is vacuum it out. So now, if you look at the filter, you can see through it. Technically, if you wanted to, you could take, say, your spray hose on your sink and spray it out. If you don't have a shop vac or a vac that has a head like that, it would do the same thing. You just give it a rub it out, and it would clean it up. I mean, you're going to have a little bit of dirt here and there. And then to install it, you can see the arrow. And we just put it back in place. I like to go this so I can see. Then we put the tray back in. You're now as clean as you can get. You should clean the filter every 2 months, depending on where you're running it. If you're running it in a dirtier area, like somewhere that has a lot of moisture, it has a lot of dirt, then you're going to want to clean it out once a month. But that will do the trick. Mostly people use them in their basements. Sometimes if you're finding moldy areas around yourself, you're finding moldy areas behind things and things like that, try using that dehumidifier first. Make sure there's nothing that's blocking the airflow towards those moldy places, and try a dehumidifier. If that doesn't work, then you're going to need to call a professional. And that concludes this video demonstration.